in this video, we are going to make a triangle using HTML and CSS. So there are different methods of making triangle in HTML and CSS, but in this case we are making use of borders. So the first thing to do is just to create a div. Once you are done creating the div, then give it a class name of triangle. So once you are done with that, then we go to the CSS file. Then we refer to that class created. So let us give it a width of 20 pixels. Now give it height of 20 pixels. And give it a background color. Teal. Also giving it a background color of teal. Let's check what we have just designed. So this is what we just designed. Now let us create a border. So we're going to make a border individually. So I start from the starting from the left to the other side of the box. So let us give it 15 pixels, and this should be red. We have like 4 borders. Let us give this, make this to be right, and the color to be blue. Then we make the other one to be top, and the color to be pink. Then lastly, we make the last side of the border to the bottom, and let's give the color to be orange. Let's save it. These are the 4 borders we created around this box. And when you look at this image, you notice something about the borders. Notice that the borders, they are inclined to an angle with each other. So when we look at the side, the left hand side and the top, we realize, you notice that at the edge that they are inclined at an angle. So the same thing with the right hand side and top, the same thing with the right hand side and the bottom. So what if we remove the background of the box, and maybe we reduce the box to be 0 pixel, the height of it to be 0 pixel, and the width of it to be 0 pixel. Let's save the file, and this is the result of it. So when we make the box to be 0, and the width of the box to be 0 pixel, and the height to be 0 pixel, and when we remove the background from the box, this is what we have. We'll be left with the borders. The left border, the right border, the top border, and the bottom border, and this is what is being formed. So each of the border form a triangle. We have like 4 triangles there. So each of the border form a triangle. So depend on which of the triangle you want, and maybe I need this orange triangle. So how do we eliminate the remaining triangle, since this is the only triangle? This is the orange triangle I need. So how we eliminate this is by making this red transparent. We make this red transparent. We make this red transparent. You see, we don't have the border left is now transparent. Then we'll also make this blue transparent. Make this blue transparent. we make this very transparent. You see, we are left with the top, and since we are left with the top and the bottom border, so and this is the triangle we need for now. Is the triangle we need for now. So the best option is just to eliminate this the top. We'll remove it, and we'll be left with three borders: the left, the right, and the bottom. So yeah, we are done.